Sinabi doon na basta non-legislative ang function, pwedeng mag-crossover to the next Congress. Kung isipin nyo, medyo may pagkaewan ang motion na ito. Naipasa ito ng lower house with an overwhelming 200 plus signatures. Talagang stall at filibustering technique lang ito ni Senator Cayetano at ng mga Dutertards to delay the impeachment further. Returning the impeachment complaint is just a filibustering tactic to stall and cast doubt on the legality of pushing impeachment into the 20th Congress. Magsasabahan pa nga si Robin at Villanueva. Tas gusto pang patahimikin nila Bato, Villanueva, Padilla at Marcos si Ontiveros. Talaga nagsasabuatan.
Which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, and again, the subject, which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, which is an offshoot of a question of privilege, which takes precedence over all motions. So I restate my motion, Mr. President, to momentarily suspend any action, whether interpellation or seconding speech, on the privileged speech of the good gentleman from Davao, para sa wakas, bigyang daan yung inaprubahan natin motion kahapon na manumpa na po kami